Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Great Math number 165.
GreatMath165. So you were a little sick today, right?
Yeah.
And so we didn't do your number theory book, but we just picked a number theory problem to take a look at. And we just picked this one. Find the least common multiple of 6 factorial and 4 factorial squared. What is this question even asking for?
Well, we have to find the least multiple of this number both of these numbers. The least common multiple of both those.
Okay. All right.
So 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then 4 factorial squared is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
Whoa. Good.
So 6 factorial factored into primes, that would be 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2, and that's 4 2's. So times 3 squared times 5 to the 1.
Alright, 2 to the 4th times 3 squared times 5 to the 1. Alright.
Then 4 factorial, well, 4 factorial squared factor into primes is, let's see, that's 2 times 2 times 3 times 2, and there's another one of those. So that would be 2 to the 6th times 3 squared.
Alright.
So we have to have the most number of 2's that's required and the most number 6 here.
Alright.
And then the most number of 3's, it's 3 squared, and then the most number of 5's is 5 to the 1.
Alright.
So this would be 4 squared. This would be 4 factorial squared times 5. Actually, so it would be 4 factorial squared times 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's kind of a fun way to write that number.
So 4 factorial squared times 5.
Huh. I didn't expect you to write that number like that. That's a very cool way to write it.
4 factorial is 24. That would be 24 times 24 times 5.
Yeah. Can you find a different way to write this as a product of factorials? Something factorial times something else factorial.
Well, it would be 4 factorial times 5 factorial.
Aha! That's another really cool way to write it. 4 factorial times 5 factorial.
4 factorial and 5 factorial.
Cool. And we're not even quite sure what that number is.
Nah.
But that's alright. Do you wanna find out?
24 times 120.
24 times 120? You know what, we can just put that in the calculator if you want. Because that's not too important. 24 times 120 is 2,880. That's what that number is. Alright. Great work this morning, huh? That was a really nice job.